This is the S2. It's a really nice ruggedized smartwatch with 5 ATM waterproofing and Bluetooth calling with a super loud, clear, clean speaker. You got all kinds of controls, a broad range of brightness on this watch. Excellent outdoors or indoors. Do not disturb, your power savings mode, that's lit up because we are Bluetooth tethered to the phone. You can stream music directly through the watch. It's beautiful too. You got overall controls, which include your display information, where you can also change watch faces to anything you'd like, digital, analog, whatever. You have, in addition to that, vibration control. There's your audio streaming, and all of the other controls we saw have switches right here. You have system control to restart, reset, and start it over again. You have your version S2 on this one, and the code that you can download the Tethering app if you want to directly from here. You also have, when you get back to the watch face, the ability to go through all kinds of screens. Here's your activity information, step count wise, showing you your hourly summary and all of your past 7 days worth. You land here, you're going into heart rate. It'll also give you continuous heart rate chart, and will give you the instantaneous reading if you want to as well when you touch it. You got blood pressure in the last 7 days. You got blood oxygen in the last 7 days. And oh, by the way, it's using red diode technology for the blood oxygen as well. You also have stress, which is a really neat monitoring capability. Last night's sleep time. The charts here in the app, you see a bigger breakout of all of this. You have the wake, light, rest, and REM sleep. You got weather in whatever city you set, in Fahrenheit or centigrade. And you got a music player, play music on your phone automatically through the watch if you have it set up to do that. You can add all kinds of other cards on here. There's just unlimited amount in all the different apps, including a calculator. You just hit the plus sign, and there they all are, the ones that haven't been added yet. Countdown timers, count-up timers, you name it, it's there. Over here, you can do your voice assistant, right by tapping right there, or get into any of these activities, or all of your activities, which include phone calling, heart rate, stress, all your biometrics, weather, players, timers. Ladies, you got cycle tracking on this watch as well. If you're registered as a female, you've got 4 different wonderful fun games on this one. This is a very sophisticated watch. Lots of potential. It actually has a really sophisticated band on it too. Check this out. Double latching with really nice holes here, and the bands themselves underneath here have little holes that will lock these in place. They're removable. You got your diodes, a round button which doesn't actually do anything when you turn but functions as an on-off button, and a regular button down here at the bottom as well. It's a very nice ruggedized watch. It's known as the S2. Check it out.